Hi, my name is Mariam Jamila binti Paiman, S59828 from K1. So, this is the question that has been given to me. The incomplete worksheet, I already copy. So here, land, the balance is 0. It's mean decrease. So, I will put 60,000 at credit side. Equipment, the balance is increased. So at debit side, we will 140,000 minus 131,000. Inventory, the balance also increase. 110,000 minus 19,000 put at debit side. Accounts receivable, the balance also increase. So 53,000 minus 40,000 at debit side. Cash, the balance also increase. 65,000 minus 30,000 at debit side. For the credit, share capital ordinary sales, the balance is increased. So we will put at credit 180 minus 170,000 at credit side. Return earnings, the balance also increased. So 71,000 minus 60,000 at credit side. Bonds payable, the balance is decreased. So we put at debit side 25,000 minus 10,000. Accumulated depreciation equipment, the balance is increased. So we put at credit side 95,000 minus 81,000. Accounts payable, the balance is decreased. We put at debit side 15,000 minus 12,000. So this is my reconciling item for the worksheet. And then go to statement of cash flows. I already do the template. And first, cash flows from operating activities, profit before tax. Profit before tax, you get from question. Net profit before taxation is 21,000. So I will write here 21,000. We have adjustment. From the question, land which originally cost 60,000 was sold for 52,000. Was sold 52,000. It means we have loss on disposal of land. 60,000 at cost minus with 52,000, we get 8,000. Next is depreciation. Because we have accumulated depreciation expense, 14,000 is paired with depreciation expense. So we just take from accumulated depreciation. Next is charges in working capital. Charges in working capital for operating activities, we just take from inventory, accounts receivable and accounts payable. So inventory is increase in inventory. So when it increase, we should minus 20,000. Next, increase in accounts receivable. We should also minus 13,000. Next is decrease in accounts payable. Should be minus also 3,000. Next, we will sum up to get net cash flow from operating activities. We will sum the profit before tax until adjustment and charges in working capital. So we will get 7,000. Cash flow from investing activities. Investing activities that we mentioned at question, land which originally cost 60,000 was sold. So we already has a disposal of land. So here invest activity proceeds from the sales of land 52,000. Next is here purchase of equipment. Purchase of equipment, we minus 9,000. Sum up to get net cash flow from investing activities. So we will sum 50,000 with 9,000, we get 43,000. Cash flows from financing activities. From the question, cash dividends of 10,000 were paid during the year. So dividends paid minus 10,000. Share capital 10,000. Proceeds from issuance of share, ordinary share, so equal to 10,000. Next is bonds, redemption of bonds equal to minus 15,000. Net cash flow from financing activity, we will sum up dividends paid plus proceed issuance ordinary share plus redemption of bonds equal to minus 15,000. Net increase in cash and cash equivalent, we get from net cash flow from operating activity 7,000 plus with net cash flow from investing activity 43,000 plus with net cash flow from finance activity minus 15,000, we will get 35,000. So cash and cash equivalent as at the beginning of the year, we got from incomplete worksheet 31st December 2020, here 30,000, so equal to 30,000. Cash and cash equivalent as at the end of the year, just sum up the cash net increase in cash, net increase in cash with cash and equivalent at the beginning of the year. So we get 65,000, same with the 31st December 2021 here at the worksheet. So our statement is correct. Thank you.